Hi everybody, welcome back. In the previous lesson, we installed Camtasia 9. Today, we will learn how to launch Camtasia recording. First thing you should know that after installing Camtasia 9, you will find two applications installed. So if you go to the start menu, you will find there is two applications. The first application is Camtasia Recorder 9. The second one is Camtasia 9. Okay, let's start by the first one. The first one is Camtasia Recorder 9, and the purpose for this application is to record your screencast, including microphone and your webcam. The second application, this one in the green color, okay, this is the main application, and here you can edit your videos recorded by the Camtasia Recorder 9, and you can edit external videos. So today we will learn three methods to launch Camtasia recording. So there are three methods to start recording. The first method is to go simply to the start menu and click Camtasia Recorder 9. So you will find this Camtasia Recorder 9. You will click here. You will find that this window appear. Simply we push the button record and start recording. So this is the first method. We will close it. The second method is to go to the start menu again, and now we will launch Camtasia 9, the main application. We will click on this. Now you will find a welcome window. This welcome window have some features. First thing, you will find recent projects. Here you will find all the recent projects you worked on. And because you are new and you install it newly, you will find here empty. Okay, you will find here some tutorials from TechSmith, and really it's nice tutorial, but these tutorials are very basic. And here you will find three buttons. The first button, new project, if you want to open a new project for Camtasia. And the last one is open projects if you want to open existing projects. What's the difference between open projects and recent projects? Here you will find the recent projects. The open project, maybe you want to open very old projects, so you will not find it in this list. And here you will find new recording. So if you click on this button, new recording, so again this window will appear again and start recording. So this is the second method. The last method, which I don't prefer, is to go to the start menu and you will launch the Camtasia 9 again. The welcome window will appear again. Go to the new projects. Now the main applications Camtasia will open. It will give you name, untitled projects. So simply go to the record and start recording. So the window here appear again. So the question now, why they make it separate? Why they make Camtasia Recorder and Camtasia 9 separate applications? Because it's good to start by the recorder without launching the main applications, because the main application taking a lot of resources from Windows and taking a lot of memory. So I advise you always to start recording by launching the recorder first without opening the main applications. This is the information that I like you to know today, and see you in the next lesson.